welcome back to Andy's Speed Shop. This is kind of like a first time professional mechanics setup. This is what I could afford, we'll talk about that in a minute, and what I feel comfortable buying with the experiences that I've had with my own boxes and my own tools. We're gonna see if we can put it in here and organize it. Some things are gonna be missing. I don't have everything yet. Some stuff is still in the mail, but this is 99% of it. So this is the box I went with. It is the 34-inch US General, hang on a minute, what do they call it? 34-inch US General full bank Master Tech cart. I'm not calling myself a Master Tech. But anyway, here it is. It's got some things on the side with your needed chemicals and a little glove holder. Over here is the folding side table. That's not made for this box. It's made for the smaller Harbor Freight. I'm sorry. Yes, Harbor Freight US General cart. So I modified it to fit my cart. So there's my little side tray. So this thing's empty. I also bought the power strip. It's got the cutout for it, which is nice. USB, that'll be great for charging devices. And I think that I'm gonna keep this pretty clean. I don't think I'm gonna sticker it up like, you know, like my other boxes. I'm gonna start with socket organizers, actually. The whole reason. Okay, this is what I use. Olsa Tools organizers. They're magnetic. They stick to the bottom of your drawer. They can also stick to whatever. Check it. And it's not like, you don't have to fight it to get your socket out. I don't know how these things don't fall out. Oh, see, that's really tough. But these things rock. I will never use another type of organizer. However, this time around, I got the Olsa Tools organizers, but I opted to have them completely filled with Olsa Tools sockets. This is actually for screwdrivers. Screwdrivers would be cool right here. So let's put some screwdrivers in. Is a set of screwdrivers that I've never owned, and they are JIS. Be working on a lot of, you know, Japanese products. Yamaha, Suzuki is the dealer, the stuff we're selling. But you know, we'll be working on probably anything that comes through the door, Honda, Pliers, whatever. But most of it, you're gonna find JIS type screws in it. So this is gonna be nice to have a set of JIS screwdrivers. All right, we're getting set up to install all of our sockets, but I just wanted to show you Olsa's sockets ship in these nice trays. So you don't have to opt in for these. This probably adds an extra $150 to the purchase, but for me, I mean, this is why I went to Olsa in the first place, so I'm not gonna forsake them. So, we're gonna fill these up. Seeing as I bought the Olsa Tools socket set, it's a 184 or 185 piece master set. Typically, if you buy the set of sockets without their organizers, you get these, and this is a 5/8 deep 1/4 inch, and they don't fit in their organizer. But they knew that, even though I didn't, and ahead of time, they planned to send me a slightly modified 5/8 1/4 inch deep that does fit. So it's just barely smaller diameter. But they knew that was gonna happen, and they made it right. So I'll have an extra there, and then they send you the shallow that will also fit. So that's pretty cool. That's gonna go. I'm gonna put that somewhere around here, maybe not there. Right there. Plier organizer, pretty standard stuff, powder coated, nice, real nice. Do I have anything here? Oh, that's nice. I'm only down to my second drawer.